Hello, I have a haul for you. It's Ross and Home Goods and an eBay thing, but I was going to haul this new range I got. I didn't know that double oven ranges were affordable now. I had one years ago, a vintage one. I loved it, and when it died, when I went to replace it with a double one, they were prohibitive. I was like, "There's no way." So, my friend in Ohio just got one. She got the GE. This is the Samsung. I just kind of like this one. Seemed to have more stainless on it or something. I don't know. I just got this Samsung one. What I was going to show you. It's got two ovens. You can do it this way. See, the bottom one has an air fryer, that thing there. And this top one is convection. And it's self-cleaning or steam cleaning. I haven't even read the book. But see, this door, it's like this. You push this thing like this. And then you can just open this top one. And there's plenty of room in there. You can lower that rack there. I think you could fit a turkey in there easy. See, there's the convection blowing thing there. And see how long it's been since I've had a new range. These new ones have 5 burners. So that's kind of nifty. And it's glass top. I think once you get a glass top, you don't ever want to go back to the old ones. And it's fairly easy to use, you know. So that's my story on this. It's this one. It's just a Samsung double, and I got mine at Lowe's, but I think everybody has it, and they're all about the same. They were like $1,100 or something, which was way less than they were years ago. Yeah, Best Buy, Home Depot, Amazon, Lowe's, but I got mine from Lowe's. Delivered it next day. Oh, and it's a smart thing. I haven't even tried to tackle that. So, I will be right back with the rest of my haul. Okay, back to my regular haul. We took the old range from this house and took it down to the other house for baby retros to use because it's nothing wrong with it. It's just a single oven, but it was a glass top. So, it was nice, and then we've taken the one that was in our old house and we'll ditch that somewhere. You know, we'll figure it out. It's in the back of the car or the truck now. So that's my story on that. This was a eBay thing. This is a reprint of this. This is actually their best album, The Velvet Underground. I think it is. It's got all the. I think it's their best one. Yeah. It's got Waiting for the Man. It's Velvet Underground and Nico. I think so. Yeah, it's got Heroin, Chelsea Girls, Black Angel Death, Run, 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 Femme Fatale, Waiting for the Man.
It's got Nico on it.
Yeah, which is, there we go.
Yep.
So, this is a cool album. John Cale, Lou Reed. And it was produced by Warhol. Mm-hmm. So that I'm just re-buying all my old albums. Feels like it. Yeah, it's okay. And then, since I got such a beautiful new range, my old pot looked kind of sad.
So dumb.
So dumb. So I went to Home Goods, hang out with all the other bitchy women, and got this Viking. It's actually a really nice one. It was $30. It's look at that, made in China.
Yeah.
But it's better than like Calphalon or Cuisinart or what's the other one?
Tefal.
Tefal. No, it's nice. It's heavy. I think it'll be pretty good. So, and it'll look nice on that new beautiful range. So that's cool. And then we went to Ross.
Oh, that is heavy.
It is heavy. See, we looked at the ones at Ross. They had the cheap brands at Ross. And they're very lightweight, and they aren't. I think they're just painted black. I think that's solid. So they had these. I know people are finding these in the dollar store, but I can't find this in the dollar store. This is a misting sprayer, which we use Clean Freak, which is a Mr. Clean product, which is actually very good, aptly named. And it originally came in one of these misting dispensers, but you couldn't refill it. You couldn't open it and refill it, but they sell refills, so I don't know. It's a conspiracy. So I bought this one at Ross for $3.99. I hope it works. And this, we got some fancy schmancy hairspray. It was on sale for $10. Flex Fin, it's that Chi brand. And then the Home Goods. They're constantly putting stuff out, but I think it gets picked over pretty quick. They don't have any of those Hello Kitty greeters, that's for sure. But they had a lot of candles on sale. This is I don't know, this brand, whatever that is, and it's just a scented candle, Beauty in Red. But it smelled, and it was $6. Single wicker. It smells really good. It's very citrus. It's lovely. And then lastly, this. I've been looking at this. I guess this is what, a jar. It's like my Empoli bottles. I guess it's a big giant bottle. What's it called? Here's the stopper. But I have a couple of those Empolis, vintage ones that I don't like, those stumpy amber ones. Yeah, I'm not crazy for them. Let's see if I can get this up here. So this is the stopper for this. And this was on sale for $20, which is good because an Empoli like that with the stopper is probably $125. Depending on the color. Yeah, if you got a amethyst one, it would be a lot more. This is the bottom of it. Let's see if I can get it back. Where's this made?
I think it's compared to a Chihuahua.
Yeah, you can see the size compared to your average Chihuahua. It's actually pretty good size. Oh, my screen's dirty. Ooh. Okay, so that's that. And it's probably a good, I don't know, 16, 18 inches tall. Probably. Chihuahua and a half. Yeah, I would say. Right, Victor? Yeah. Right? So that's all I got. You got anything, Mr. Retros?
No.
Got anything, Victor? No, I don't have nothing. So we will see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.